So, good evening, students. Let us discuss one more paper, that is English language, structure and translation. Another name of this paper is linguistics, right? So, that's a English language, the structure of English language and translation from English to another language or from another language to English. That's a basic content of this paper, right? So we are going to discuss, as we all know that paper is divided into this, the paper of 2024 recent paper, right? And paper you this DAVV paper is divided into three parts, three sections. Section 1 is objective type, and section B is a short answer, and section C is long answer. So first we are going to discuss objective type. First statement is, what does the term linguistic evolution refer to in the context of English language? So question, first of all, statement, just read, reread and then decide the answer. So question is that the term linguistic evolution, evolution is development, right? Language development. So refer to in the context of English language, means how English language is developed. This is the question in another words, right? Answer is rapid changes in grammar rules, and that's why English language is changed or developed. No, no rapid grammar rules are changed. Rules are rules. Since long back we read Rain and Martin and other grammar books, rules are almost same. New rules like shall is not used much, will is used, but in some cases we use shall also. So that's a grammar rules are not frequently changes. So that is the actually statement is wrong. So just negate it. Go for another option, gradual development and transformation of language over time. Yes, this is the right answer, because linguistic evolution means it's a very gradual process, very slow process, unnoticeable process, and then gradual development and transformation of language over time. Yes, that is linguistic evolution, because slowly it is change and transformation of language, and it is transformed, right? So that is why conventional English and that's modern English is divided. So of course modern English is some rules, some words have been changed, but it's a very gradual process, not frequent. That's why first answer is not at all suitable, but second option is correct answer, correct option. But why not C? Let us discuss. C is a decline in linguistic diversity is linguistic evolution. No, not at all. That's a just contradictory statement. How decline can be linguistic evolution? So negate this. C is also not at all the answer. Fourth is, just take care, none of the above is, in most of the cases none of the above is not an answer. So don't think about it, you just have to select. Sometime none of the above may be very rare, of the rarest cases it may be answer, otherwise other three are, you have to find out one. But answer is B, gradual development and transformation of language over time. Now moving to another question. That's another statement. How does the development of technology influence the English language? Of course, technology touched all the languages, and then technology is used in technology. English is used frequently, right? So this are all English actually, all technology, most of the technology technical terms are used in English actually, and that is why definitely technology has influenced a lot English language. So this the question, and then options are, it slows down linguistic change. No, not at all. How it can slow down linguistic change? Because that's a development of technology. So naturally language is also being developed, and it has no impact on language. No, technology has what we can say, that change the language, and then the very rapidly, and not rapidly, but yes, very impactfully language is changed. Now go for C option. It introduces new terms and expressions, right? So that's a technology has introduces new terms and expressions, right? So yes, new terms. How new terms? I'm giving you example. WhatsApp. Just okay. Can you WhatsApp me the message we used to tell? Because of technology, WhatsApp is the technical term that but we use as a verb. Can you WhatsApp me your message? Right? Sometimes we say that I googling, right? I was googling and trying to find the information. So googling is again verbal form, and Google is the noun form, right? And then googled boy is a that's a adjectival form. So these kind of many missed call, right? So many terms, registered call, right? So these and then frequently, because technology is changing, technology is used, and then that's why many technical words we use, and then we use for different purposes. And this is the new terms because of technology. English language has been changed a lot, right? Now moving why okay, go for C. Why not C? However, C is the right answer. It introduces new terms and expressions. What introduces new terms and expressions? Technology. And that's why in English many new terms and expressions are used. But why not fourth? Let us discuss. It eliminates the need for English development. No, that is not the answer. It eliminates the need for language development. On the contrary, language is developed in different way. Language is developed because of technology. Like in moon, we have paced in moon, and then Aditya L1. So many, see, technology, artificial intelligence, and so many things. And that's why language is rapidly here. In this case, I told you that language is a very development is a slow process, but here somewhat just a fast process, and that's why language is being changed with the technology. This is the correct answer. So C is the right answer. Moving to next statement. What does the study of phonology primarily focus on? Phonology is made up with two words. Logy is a study and phone is sound, right? So phonology is not let us see what's the option. Study of phonology primarily focus on word formation. No, word formation is morphology. Morphemes are words, and then joining of two words, three words, and make one new word, that is morphology. So that is word formation, right? Number two, sentence structure. If we discuss about sentence structure, that is syntax, right? Now moving to sound patterns and systems in language. Yes, phonology is first sound patterns, right? That's a girls college, right? So that's a girls, and then no need to put again s, that is apostrophe is enough. That is read as girls college, right? So these kind of sound patterns. Why? Because hissing sound and then double is cannot be pronounced as girls sound. This is not the way. So that is why this is sound pattern we read in phonology. For example, dogs. Dog is G. Dog end with G. Dog. But when dog become plural, dogs, right? So dogs, if we write, so that's a K as somewhat. Dogs, right? So that's a sound is different, right? So these kind of sound pattern we read in phonology. And systems are, for example, that's a if I talk to a child, so my tone, my sentence formation, it will be different. I used to give example that one girl has come for counseling along with along with her younger brother. So if I talk the student, so I say, oh yes, what's your name, what's your schooling, and then how did you come to know about our college, blah blah blah. But then if I talk her younger brother, if I say, oh, what is your name, Okay, what in which standard you study? This way, my tone, my framing of sentence will be different. That is systems, right? So then different system and sound pattern. This is the study which is done in phonology. So correct answer is C, right? Don't discuss D. C is the right answer. Sound patterns and systems in language is phonology, right? Now, next question. What is linguistic ambiguity? Linguistic ambiguity is meaning two meanings or more than two meanings of a word or language, right? So that's a first is the clarity of language, just opposite. So that's not an answer. Number two, the presence of multiple meanings in a word or sentence. Yes, linguistic ambiguity. Example, I would like to give you that. I have read somewhere, and then that is the I would like to show you to my phone also. Here, that's a yes. If you read this sentence, last wala sentence, you only fail when you stop trying. In this sentence, we find ambiguity, right? You only fail, I'm reading. You only fail if you stop trying. So meaning is that nothing is going to be a loss. You just only fail if you stop trying, right? However, sentence must be you fail only when you stop trying. This is the positive note. You fail only when you stop trying, means you just have to do, you have to keep on doing, right? Don't stop for trying. If you stop for trying, then you will fail, right? This is the so that the place of only makes different meaning, right? You only fail when you stop trying or if you stop trying. However, you fail only when you stop trying. This should be the correct meaning of the sentence. So that